Hi, it's me, Richard here. I cracked my tempered glass on my Note 8 and I had to replace it. So I thought I might as well do a video. This tempered glass is a full adhesive tempered glass. It's got like some gecko adhesive behind the glass, and it sticks very well and is great for touch sensitivity. I don't have problem playing games with this glass, so let's have a look at how to stick the new one. So first you need to make sure the top sits into the position where the sensors and the cameras are. That's the best way to get the alignment, because from there you know your top is aligned, and you just use your thumb and the fingers to hold the bottom and make sure the bottom is aligned as well. You can measure the gap with just your fingers. You can feel it when you place the glass down. You can feel the left and right, it actually matches. So you apply pressure on the top and start pushing it in just with the cloth that comes with the box. You don't need any special squeegee. I tried with the squeegee, it doesn't work as well if you just do it with the cloth. And once it's aligned and you start to go in, just make sure the end doesn't go all the way down. If not, it's too fast, you get bubble. You have to take some time and patience with this, but start with the top and clean out the edges. Once the edges goes through, you know it's aligned. If you see a large bubble at the edge, that means it's not aligned. See, slowly push out the air at the edge, and then only work the middle and continue with the sides and the middle and the sides and the middle. So this way you get full coverage, and any other bubble that shows up, you just lift up the glass again and then start pushing again. It's fairly easy, because after a while doing this, is even at first application I could fix back this glass. It's not a problem. The most amazing thing about this gecko glue is it's removable. It's unlike the other type of glass, which once it's stick and you try to remove it, it's big problem with that. And you take your time and start pushing in, clear one of the edge first at the bottom, and then start moving back to the center, and then you reach the other edge and it's done. After this you probably see some minor little bubbles which can be easily removed. So you see there's a bit of a bubble at the edge and the left and the right corner. So towards the upper edge, we just lift it up and start pushing it, and it's gone. You see? Well, we'll do the same at the bottom. Just lift it up and start pushing it away. I mean, it's such an easy job and anyone can do it. So it's done and lovely. I'm back to my game session.